In the last episode, we explored the CapCut interface and learned where everything is. Now it's time to load our project with the materials we'll edit. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to import and organize your videos, images, and audio files inside CapCut. By the end, you lines know exactly how to keep your editing workspace neat and ready even if you're just starting out. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn CapCut easily. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to bring in our media. You can click the Import button to select files from your computer or simply drag and drop them into the Media panel. Pro tip: drag and drop works too. Once your files are inside CapCut, keeping them organized makes editing much easier. Here are some simple tips. Rename your files so you can easily find them. Group media by type, videos in one section, images in another, audio in another. For bigger projects, create folders inside CapCut to separate clips by scenes or themes. Next, we need to check the supported file types. CapCut supports most common formats: video, MP4, MOV, AVI, and more. Images: JPG, PNG. Audio: MP3, WAV. So whether it's your phone footage, downloaded music, or screenshots, you can add them here. Now your project is loaded and organized. You're ready to edit like a pro. In the next episode, we'll cover timeline editing basics where you'll learn how to cut, trim, and arrange your clips to tell your story. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, do you prefer organizing your clips in folders or keeping them all in one place? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future tutorials. See you in the next video.